Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Okay, welcome to new academic session 2021-22 and we are starting a new session and your syllabus. Yes, now this is your mathematics textbook. This is your mathematics textbook. Please open your mathematics textbook. Yes, children, very good. Math Magic. The name of the textbook is Math Magic. Math Magic book 3 and it is your book. Yes. Now, first when you see that NCERT textbook, it look different. Yes or no, children? Yes, according to National Curriculum Framework NCF, we called as a NCF 2005, it recommended. According to National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005, it recommended that children's life at school must be linked to their outside life outside the school. Means it means whatever you learn from this textbook or any subject from any subject, it will connect to outside your life, so that it is NCF. According to NCF 2005, NCRT syllabus is framed. And let us start with the glance, we call as a glance. Let us start with the your contents. Here if you open that page number, now page number 1, if you open the page number 1, left side, when you will open inside, when you will please open your textbook, children. Yes, very good. Now in first page, left side, you have content. Left side, content. Math Magic. What you learn in this whole academic year 2021-22, these are the sub chapter units were called units or chapter we call. You can learn so many things. Math Magic. What is inside this book? What is inside this book? Yes, you got this? Ah, very good. Now we will see that what you learn from this textbook. First chapter, where to look from. Where to look from. Second one, fun with the numbers. Second one, fun with the numbers. Third one, give and take. Fourth one, long and short. Fifth one, shapes and designs. Sixth one, fun with give and take. Seventh, time goes on. Eighth, who is heavier. Ninth, how many times. Ninth one, how many times. Tenth one, play with the patterns. 11th, jugs and mugs. 12th one, can we share. 13th, smart charts. 14th, rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. Yes, from starting, when you will start with the chapter 1, where to look from. where to look from means you will learn about that from which angle you are looking. From which angle you are looking. Whether you are looking from top view, here so many things are there. When we will start with the chapters, that time you will come to know that what and how to learn that object from which side, which angle we are seeing and how it is looking. These are so many fun things. Here that the main motto is that NCERT or CBSE curriculum according to curriculum and NCERT textbook, that you will learn with the fun. You will learn with the fun. And one more thing, you have another one textbook, that is we introduce this textbook. Means it is not a textbook, it is a workbook. Sorry, not it is textbook, workbook. This is your workbook. This is your workbook, maths workbook. Yes, this is your workbook. It is also based on NCERT, and here also you can content, you can see this. The same contents are there. Same contents are there. Where to look from, or fun with the numbers, give and take, long and short. These are extra. This is workbook. This is practice, for practice purpose, that workbook we introduce, and this is your main textbook. Yes, children. Now we will meet in next video. We will start with our syllabus. Until that, take care, stay home, have a nice day. Another one, I will give task today. Before that, before wind up, I will give one task to you, children. You have to buy hat tables. To how many tables? Yes, how many tables? Yes, only you have to learn four tables or five tables. Okay, we will do one thing. We will little reduce it. We will reduce it, and we will give only five. We will only give five tables. Multiplication tables. Multiplication tables. You have to buy hat within 5 days. Daily one daily one multiplication tables you have to buy it, and within 5 days you can buy it 2 to 5. Yes, children, are you ready for this challenge? Yes, very good, children, very fantastic. Now this is challenge started from today. You today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, within 2 or 3 days you have to buy it table number 5, up to table number 5, 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Yes, bye children, have a nice day, bye bye.